make the mistake of saying, I love God. I love God. Ask anybody in any religious institution. Do you love God? Yes, I love God. Do you love God? Yes, I love God. Everyone will claim love. Really, the question is, does God love you? This is the question. Does God love you? And this is what separates Islam from all of the previous religions, is that we have a messenger of God. We have a messenger of God who showed us how to become the beloved of God. So we're talking about not just loving God, but having God love us. We're talking about love. So men, watch this, ladies. Men, what is love? Sacrifice. Trust. What else? Loyalty. They're doing better. Look at them. Look. Doing all right. What else? Respect. You notice they're all one-liners? They're afraid to go further, you know? Adjectives. Just for the sake of time, I'm going to tell you what Imam Junaid said. Imam Junaid is one of the, in the science of purifying the heart, he's like the captain. In the Islamic science of how do you purify the heart so that you can acquire all of those spiritual virtues such as patience and reliance upon God and gratitude and repentance to God. Those are spiritual virtues. The top most virtue is love. It's love, meaning love of God. This is what he said, Imam Junaid. There's 4 points here, so keep up. Number 1, he said that love begins as a complete inclination towards something. This is how it begins. You're like enamored. You are completely inclined towards it. And then the preference of that thing over yourself, your soul, and all of your possessions. And then the compliance with that inwardly and outwardly, until you know that you still have shortcomings in your claim of love. I haven't heard a better explanation than that. So the first thing he says is you have this inclination towards something. And then you begin to prefer that thing or that person over what? Your outward self, your bodily self, your inward soul, and all of your possessions. That excludes like 90% of human beings. And then he says, and the proof of it is the compliance. You comply with that. In other words, you have those adjectives that you all described. You have the loyalty, you have the sacrifice, you have the, really what it is the preference, Ithar. You begin to prefer that person over yourself in every way, including all of your possessions. And then you finally realize, I'm still short. I cannot do all that I should do when I use the word love.